All right, I'm going to show you how to set up timers with your Gemstone lights. So I'm going to go ahead and open the app on my phone. Again, your front page may look a little different. I have a light and I have the Gemstone lights all hooked up. So if you click on it and get in there, where you'll say your last name or your first name, at the bottom it says static custom timer download or setting. If you click on the timer, yours will be blank. I already have a few set up. So as you can see, daily I have red and green with movement happening. Comes on at 4 p.m. and off at 11. And then in the morning it comes on a traditional multicolor from 6:30 a.m. to 8 a.m. So, but if you want to set up your own, you click the plus sign. You can name the timer whatever you want. You might want to, let's just do candy cane and hit confirm. And then the mode, you want to click on that where it says mode, and you can choose from either custom or a folder. So if you already have something custom like your architectural lighting set up, you can click custom or click folder. I'm going to click folder. I'm going to click on Christmas 1. And here's candy cane. I'm going to click that. So that's going to utilize that one. And you can repeat weekly or yearly, or you can just have it on. You see it says repeat every day. The orange means it's selected. So maybe, you want your Sunday house to look different than your Monday and your Tuesday. Or if you want all of them, you just click all the ones that you want to utilize this timer. And here it says on time or on sun. So sun would be based on your geo-targeting. It's sunrise to sunset or sunset to sunrise. Or you can do the time. And again, if I do time, I click it, you can just choose it. It is in military time. Make it nice and simple. So, if you want it on at 7:03, you hit confirm. And then I want it off at 3:51 p.m. and then hit save, and that'll make the timer. So what's cool about these is you're going to make one for Christmas, you're going to make one for Valentine's Day, for 4th of July or Labor Day. So when you don't utilize it, when it's not Christmas anymore and you don't want candy cane coming on every day, you just click right there. That way it's still saved so you can turn it on next year when you're ready for it, or maybe you just want to turn it on a different day. But anyways, these are all toggable on or off, so that makes it so easy. And that is how you set a timer with the Gemstone app.